Uh-oh. Oh, great reversal by Candice. Oh, great move. Oh! What a match. It's been back and forth. Here's the pin. Oh! Wow, she grabbed the ropes just in time. We almost seen a 3 count and had a new champ. Big elbow to the back. Candice has the momentum. Great move by Nefertiti. Oh, she got it. Look like she's going for a sleeper. Oh, wow, they're brawling. Oh, who's this? Wait a minute. Somebody's in the ring. Who? That's Wanda. She look like she got brass knuckles on. She just took out the champ and Candice Dubrovnik.